Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Abdul Aziz. Today I would like to give a brief summary of six interesting of important topics that's worth understanding. The first, the big mention about electric. Let's talk about electric. Banyak orang berpikir bahwa listrik itu seperti air yang mengalir di dalam pipa, right? Mereka kira listrik itu bergerak dengan cepat dari suatu tempat ke tempat lain, padahal itu adalah mountain besar. Jadi sebenarnya listrik itu bukan seperti aliran listrik, pergerakan elektron yang sangat kecil. Elektron yang bergerak sangat pelan. They only move a few centimeter per second, which the very slow. Jadi karena itu kamu menyalakan lampu atau mengecas ponsel, bukan elektron yang bergerak cepat, melainkan energi yang mengalir sangat cepat. Things of the line of domains. When you push the first one, it doesn't go too far, but the energy of the push of travel down the line quickly. Same doesn't for electric. This energy moves fast, but the electron transmittal are slow movers. Jadi ketika kamu menekan saklar untuk menyalakan lampu, yang sebenarnya terjadi adalah energi yang mengalir dalam sekejap, bukan elektron-elektron yang bergerak jauh. The second, why you always be debit. Let's talk about something where a deal debit feel no matter how much you earn to or save debit. You just keeping moving right. While you hear reality checks, your mic's always been debit. But why is that? The first trending to understand how many creating or not movements the money. The word actually physical cash, digital and creative talks loans. Don't give up your cash from values. The creative moves by lending. Tapi here is cash moving to play announcement. A toast loan doesn't exist the moment a create. Setiap kali kamu meminjam uang, kamu memang menerima sejumlah uang. But you are explained to play back more than you borrow it. And that's because in interest, but their problem. And the insert is created at the same time. Physical, so you always want, then you actually got. Di sisi lain, meskipun sistem ini membuat kita terjebak dalam hutang, ada cara untuk mengelola dan mengurangi pengaruhnya. You can manage your debit by debiting people, saving, and planning ahead. But important to release the system to an virtual debit and the only way to manage enough save. The thoughts, how human walk allow to survive space. Space is fast a whole environment, but cloud human survive and often just out here. While the drive towards communication for touch space at only, but also contains voice. Jadi tubuh manusia agar tidak manusia nggak akan bisa bertahan di luar angkasa tanpa perlindungan khusus, seperti pakaian luar angkasa. Both live image their long term future, like the thousand on million of years down the line, would cause human people to survive in space without the technology. Another evolution cloud versions of radiation. Right now, astronauts are people by space both technology exposure comics, really and solar radiation called learn to serious health issue. In the design future, manusia mungkin mengembangkan kulit yang lebih tahan terhadap radiasi atau kemampuan tubuh untuk memperbaiki kerusakan DNA secara lebih efisien. Inclusion, well, it from being be able to live a space performance to physical human evolution survive in such environment, something that science is still exploring. The fourth, this is why it's almost impossible to skip a stone 8 9 times. Skipping stone are fun actually, but have you understand why it's so hard to skip one six time? Sound crazy, right? Let us break it down. Praise of the main character, the light, the angel of Spain. The stone well is the hover. The main stone skip unites through. It's a very challenge style, usually between 20, 20 of 30 breaks. If your dogs a step fall, but throwing is perfect, angel alone isn't enough, but also need a stone, breastbanding, a high virtually active speaking effect. Sekarang mari kita bahas bentuk dari ukuran batu. Batu datar dan halus adalah yang terbaik untuk dilewati di atas air. Batu yang terlalu bulat atau berbentuk kasar tidak akan memantul dengan baik di permukaan air. Ukuran batu itu tidak penting dan terlalu besar atau terlalu kecil, batu itu disebut tidak akan memantul secara efektif. Jadi, mengapa kita hampir tidak mungkin mencapai 89 lompatan secara teori? Hal ini dimungkin dilakukan, namun kemungkinan yang sangat kecil, gesekan dari air, kekuatan lemparan dari bentuk batu, semuanya harus bekerja dengan sempurna. Bahkan jika kamu berhasil mendapatkan beberapa loncatan, batu itu akan kehilangan energi yang tiap dipantulkan sehingga semakin sulit untuk melanjutkannya. The illusion of thugs. Have you ever heard something so many times yet started believing it is true even a what now? The illustration of drug, the physical improvement that's heaven even reality makes a believe something is true. Red mass of actually. The solution of drugs is powerful. Ketika kita mendengar informasi yang sama berulang-ulang Ketika kita mendengar informasi yang sama atau berulang-ulang, otak kita akan cenderung menganggap informasi tersebut benar karena lebih familiar. This is why abandonment work is well. When a band replaces a message over the over, we start acknowledging that minutes with thought, even the press actually correct. So next time you hear claim that sound familiar, don't just accept that moment. Fairy dogs remember the illustration of dogs as powerful tool, but can also refuse of the wind cannon for full. This misinformation can be spread too quickly to social media or dog romance. When something respects a dog's respects a dog, it becomes is a part of the native we accept as dogs. Turns out the more times a man the repeats, the more likely we perceive where the belief it is gone. completely false. And the last, the six, can silence actually drive you crazy? We enjoy happy, passy, quiet, and then about sense the crazy. Makes sound surprising broad research or no psychology. Silence can be negative, even us mind. Ketika kita berbicara tentang keheningan, kita bukan hanya mengacu pada momen yang damai. Kita berbicara tentang depresi sonotic total, di mana tidak ada suara sama sekali. In the environment, white noise for your brain to start within the gaps by creating sound on the tone. This is led on hallucination, reflect to silence ghost from the long time. Actually, on the study was created where possible Soften house accompany silent room. Many them started learning strange noise from even office. The longer started, more events explained became the is because silent naturally human which introduce proving information from the environment without sound uh, brain to manifestation creating its own. Keningan juga dapat mempengaruhi kondisi emosional kita. Tapi apakah ini berarti keningan buruk untuk kita? Not is all. Jadi sementara momen tenang tentang memungkinkan membantu kita untuk relaksi keheningan yang berlebihan, memang kita bisa mengganggu pikiran kita. That's why balance the important something like noise keep just alert when silent after moments of plain creativity. Thank you for your attention. I'm Abdul Aziz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.